Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online learning tips and tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel up to now, kindly hit the subscribe button. I'll be very much grateful. So apart from sharing survey earning sites and review for proxy sites and anti-tech browser, I also do reviews for legit crypto airdrops because I'm a crypto trader also. I also do it on my side, and it's a very lucrative activity. But I like referring free crypto airdrop to my users. The airdrops whereby you don't have to invest anything, you just have to, they just require your time and your devices. For example, now I promised to drop a video, and this is the guide to that particular video. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. So we are talking about GetGrass. This is a very big airdrop which is going to happen on Solana ecosystem, and I will show you the reasons why. So if you go to the let's first of all log into our account here. So if you are new to here, just click register and you'll be prompted to register an account. Just put your email, username, and the usual stuff that we do when you're registering. And also registering on GetGrass is on, since it's on beta testing mode, you will need a referral code for you to register. So I'm going to pin my referral link under the video description. You can use my referral link, or you can use the referral link of your friend who already has a GetGrass account. But if you use mine, I'll be very much grateful. So let me log in because I already have an account. So this is how the account looks like. The dashboard shows you your earnings, your today earnings. So basically what GetGrass does, you install an extension either on your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, or any browser that you use on your laptop or PC, and you just connect it to your account here. Just click connect, and you start earning. You are going to start seeing your accumulation of your daily earnings here. So without even explaining further, I want us to install the extension. So first of all, once you open a new account, this is your dashboard. Click connect here. It will take you to the extension download page, which is loading now. So once you're on this page, the extension, you see this is the Chrome web store, where there is after clicking connect here, it has taken us to this web page for adding the extension. So just click add extension here. And if you're using on mobile device, the best browser to use is Kiwi browser or Yandex browser, because those browsers allows installation of Chrome extensions. Yeah. So but the best one for working on mobile is Kiwi browser. So once you install like this, you'll be prompted to sign in again. So once installed, like you see, now for you now to connect here, for you to be to show the connection, just go, if you're using on a PC like me, first of all pin that particular extension for GetGrass, this one, then click on it, and from here now you can be able to connect to. So once it shows that it's connected here, it means that you are earning GetGrass points, which when they launch their mainnet, which is around the end of this quarter or quarter 2 of 2024, you can be able to claim your points to equivalent to the number of tokens. So if you have 1,000 points, you'll be able to claim like 1,000 token. For example, right now it seems the website has a retro glitch, but here it's supposed to display your connections, and you're earning your total earnings here. So let's go to about, frequently asked questions about them, and also let me click here about grass. So you can see here a very good question: what is grass? So according to them, they say that everyone has an internet connection with a certain amount of bandwidth per month, but almost nobody uses all of it. So grass is a network for selling that bandwidth to corporations and institutions with a suite of applications that do this in the background of your phone or computer. The end result is passive income for selling a resource you didn't even know you had. So basically this means that whenever you're connected to get grass using this extension here, it has some glitch, but it's working. You'll be able to earn grass passively on your account, and your earnings are going to accumulate here. And at the end of when they launch their mainnet, which is, as I said earlier, Q1 or Q2 of 2024, you'll be able to claim the amount of coins that you have earned. If you have earned like 100,000 points, they'll be converted to 100,000 tokens, and it's totally free. All you have to do is to install the extension. It won't even affect with your normal working. It won't, you see, this is the extension. You can, I don't know why it's disappearing all of a sudden, but you can see the extension here is connected. It's working in the background. It's not even affecting my other stuff that I'm doing online. So basically they're using my unused data or bandwidth for other purposes, and in return they give us a rewards in form of points. This is a new account, that's why you cannot see some rewards here. This is a fairly new account. I just created this account for demonstrations. Yeah, so for example, now today is 30th. After we have just connected the extension here, this is what you have earned so far. You have earned 3.21 grass points just now. Even you have not lasted like 10 minutes, but you see the rewards are increasing. Every time you are connected, just keep on refreshing. You see your number changing. It's very fast, very easy. This is the easy money. If you get like 1,000 grass points, depending on the valuation of the coin, that can be, you can earn anything from $10 and above, depending on how much the coin is listed at. For example, here you can see that my network corridor, I'm now connected. Once you connect on the extension here, under the dashboard it shows that I'm connected. This is my IP address. This is my network quality, and that's how you just connect the grass extension, and you start earning grass points, which later on you can convert to earn more rewards. So about grass, I wanted to show you something about grass. So another thing I wanted to insist on is that they have an amazing referral program. If you're a good person, if you know how to market things or stuff online, you can share your referral link with your friends. Remember, Get Grass is on beta testing. So for people to start working or to start earning on grass, they need your referral link. So share your referral link with your friends, and if you refer a lot of people, you can see the level that you keep on earning. So the more people you refer, the more you earn. But you don't need the referral to earn on grass. Just connecting your internet, you can earn by yourself. The referral program only speeds up your earning potential. It increases the number of points you earn, and your referrals are going to appear here. And the referrals has some levels. Each level you accomplish, or the number, for example, if I reach 300 points, I'll be rewarded with the free 20 points. If I reach 2,595 points, I'll be rewarded a bonus of 130 points. So advantage of referral program, it helps you to achieve these bonus levels, these tiers, or these reward tiers, depending on how much you earn. So you can add the reward tier using points or referrals, but points is the best. So basically that's all about. And then you can be able to monitor your earnings here. Remember, just created the account, so they have no data here. It's supposed to display, like right now we are in epoch 3, it should be displayed here. So that's all about grass. For example, now you can see our earnings keeps on changing. As long as you are connected, you see, we came from 3, 5, 6 now. As long as you are connected, and it's not even affecting my internet speed, everything is constant, is working perfectly. So the last thing I want to show you guys is about Grass. The reason why I think they are the best and the safest airdrop tool for anyone to work on. So I want us to check their blog here. Click on blog. So you can see from their blog they say that it's the first ever layer 2 data roll up on Solana. Solana is a network, cryptocurrency network, and most of the coins is the most advanced network which has a lot of liquidity. Any coin launching on there, from meme coins to layer 1 coins, are pumping. They pump hard on Solana. So when this Grass token launches on Solana, is going to be very, very beneficial. And as you can see here, they say that Grass is the first ever layer 2 data rollup. Over the first few weeks, they have been releasing content to explain Grass role in the AI stack. As you know, the protocol performs a number of transactions. So Grass is the data one, whatever. So from here you can see that they have raised around like $3.5 million from these famous investors in startups like Polychain Capital and so many others. So you can be assured that an airdrop from Grass or GetGrass platform is going to be a very, very beneficial and lucrative, and you don't have to invest anything. All you have to connect the extension and you earn daily points as you do your daily task. All you do, just stay connected, you earn Grass points, and that's all. Another thing, you can do referrals with your referral link, and they increase the number of points, which help you to move around up the tire, the rewards tire, which I showed you earlier. So guys, if you haven't started working on GetGrass, don't miss this opportunity to make easy 10 to any amount of dollars you can, depending on the number of Grass points that you have. Someone requested me to do this video, and I hope this one will explain you better. And the same setup I explained on setting it up on browser on a laptop is the same setup you're going to use on Kiwi browser on an Android device or an iOS device. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.